How to delete photos from Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the menu option you see there at the bottom right, or you can also simply tap on the profile option you see there. Now, once you are in your Facebook profile, if you want to delete the pictures, then tap on the Photos tab you see there. Now, in the Photos tab, scroll through and then navigate to the picture that you want to delete. Once you have opened the picture, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Delete Photo option. And in the confirmation that appears, tap on Delete again. And with this, that particular picture will be deleted. You can repeat the same process for all the pictures that you want to delete. So this is how you can delete photos from Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.